This is just beautiful. I mean, this is a work of art right here. It's beautiful. I can't wait to try it.
This is Trip Up with Sadie and Rantom. We found 8 Thai street food truck in Los Angeles, California. Like, share, subscribe. We had a veggie pad thai with tofu and a veggie spicy basil fried rice with shrimp.
Pad Thai, tofu, and ground nuts. That was fantastic.
Here it goes to that spicy rice. Got a nice kick to it.
Big chunks of shrimp.
And for dessert,
Mango sticky rice.
the service was fast and efficient, and the food was delicious. Thanks for watching.